第一天我们是为了来那饭，然后我们来做一些meditation platform is go for the future use for the people， so 他们可以来这边做那个 meditation。
我哋要將一個空地變成一個 platform within 即係 one day。
During the hardship, right, from the Friday, right, I think there were a lot of bitterment lah. The sun was there lah. Everyone was actually work beyond their physical capability, right, to make it happen.
I can see that they work together as a team. Although it's very hard, at least finally they also achieve to complete the whole thing.
The hard work was really paid off lah. We are not contractors. We do not have the muscles. Despite all this, right, we actually face all hardships through the sun and rain. We went through it lah. The way I see it, right, the teamwork is more important than the accomplishment.
Until the end 嗰陣時 ，when 你睇到嗰個 end result 咧，其實幾辛苦都係好值得嘅，因為你要知道嗰個嘢其實我哋做出嚟 for the benefit of everybody。
So 然後第二天我們參加一些beginner 的那個 meditation。
我哋工作未必有時都係好壓力大啦。呢個係 one form of how we can release 我哋嗰啲 stress 啦。
We had this sunrise meditation. Actually, in fact, we feel it very calm and peaceful, and you feel that actually this will benefit to the staff who feel that they work very stressed sometimes.
我最喜欢的其实是那个walking meditation，因为它可以放慢我们平时的步骤，然后让我们慢慢的走，慢慢的思考，然后我们会平静我们自己的我们自己的 mind。
My personal experience actually is when I came here, when I go back, I can control myself in such way that I make myself calm. So something that certain things that certain works maybe I don't like to listen, I can control in such a way, hey, be cool, let them finish the whole thing. Then only I use different way to explain back to them. So this is one of the lessons I feel that will benefit to a lot of people.
Based on the feedback that I have, being this recent as the closing ceremony, I think everybody is happy that they are glad that they sweat for reasons when they built the bench for meditations at the Medicine Buddha Hill, and the meditations program that we've gone through. Not only just technique about meditations, but also a lot of wisdoms that shared by Lee King. She's a wonderful lady, facilitator, and that really makes them very happy that they have learned something here. I would encourage the bosses out there, that to consider this program. This is a program that I think will bring a lot of benefits to the company in returns. As you clear your mind, you'll definitely be a lot more productive. It is also a very good way for them to reconnect back to the nature, which is something that a lot of people who stay in the urban, like in KL areas, they forgot about it after a while. They live in the concrete jungles. 3 days, 2 nights program allowed them to connect back to nature, and I think they find it very wonderful. So I believe the same benefits can be extended to other corporate companies as well.